To connect Redmi Buds 6 Play into your phone, first of all, you will have to start by inputting both earbuds inside your case. And you have to be sure that you charge this case for around 5 to 10 minutes. Then you will have to open it, and you will have to find this small button that is located on the right side. And you will have to click and hold it when the case is open, until this indicator on the front, this small indicator, starts blinking. Then you will have to release. Now you will have to open the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone and click to pair new device. From available devices list, select Redmi Buds 6 Play, accept pairing, and right now you will have to, you don't have to, but you can actually go into the Google Play Store and download this application. Thanks to this application, you will actually get access into a lot of features. So if you want to do this, you will have to read and agree to the user agreement. Now select your region. By clicking here, you can open list of all regions. Click next if you select your. Click next, 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 and click start. Accept this permission. And after we connect them by the Bluetooth settings, we already will be able to use them right here. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.